After shot blasting, the part looks clean, but wipe it with your hand and it's covered in black dust. You coat it anyway, and within weeks, the coating blisters and peels. What's happening? Abrasive contamination. During shot recovery, the dust removal and dehumidification system isn't doing its job. Wet dust and oil get mixed back into the steel shot and hammered into the metal surface. That black dust is embedded, and if you don't get it off, coating adhesion is 0. How to fix it? Regularly check your dust collector and dehumidifier. Make sure they're working properly. After blasting, blow the surface clean with dry compressed air, then wipe with a dedicated cleaning solvent. If possible, add a high-pressure water wash or chemical cleaning step. Remember, if you're seeing black dust, your abrasive media is overdue for replacement. Have you ever wiped your parts after blasting? Drop a comment. Let's talk.
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.